Are you looking for a tablet for reading comics? In this video, I will show you the 5 best tablets for reading comics based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Samsung Galaxy Tab A. Stream and browse on a 10.4-inch ultra-widescreen display designed to bring your content to life without weighing you down. The front-facing, landscape-oriented camera allows you to transition between entertainment and video calls seamlessly. Galaxy Tab A7's enhanced quad speaker system fills your room with Dolby Atmos surround sound, putting you in the center of the action during your favorite music, movies and shows. Galaxy Tab A7's enhanced battery is designed for busy days and includes a fast-charging USB-C port that quickly gets you back to 100%. Sharing content can be fast and simple. Galaxy Tab A7 has the option to connect to family members' devices, so you can easily exchange photos, reminders, notes and calendar events. The 4th product on the list is the Vankyo MatrixPad Pad Z4. With its 178-degree IPS HD display, the Vankyo MatrixPad Pad Z4 renders your digital media in vivid, lifelike detail. You'll always enjoy crisp, vibrant images whether you're watching movies, playing games with your kid or catching up on the latest news on the 10-inch display with 1280x800 resolution. With 32 GB on-board storage, you can store tons of photos, ebooks, songs, and movies, etc. Plus, the Z4 tablet supports expandable memory by microSD card up to 128 GB. Huge room for everything, from your go-to shows to your favorite memories. Enjoy immersive reading with a widescreen 10.1-inch that delivers true-to-life color. Choose from millions of ebooks and magazine titles, which could be downloaded via Google Play. Read comfortably at night with iHealth, which automatically adjusts and optimizes the backlight for a more comfortable nighttime reading experience. The 3rd product on the list is the Touch Notepad K10. Touch Notepad K10 features a 2 GB RAM and a 64-bit quad-core processor, offering the smooth performance of playing videos, surfing the internet, running light games, etc. Android 9.0 Pie enhances performance and reduces ads, giving you a more customized experience. With 32 GB storage, you can store tons of photos, ebooks, songs, and movies, etc. Plus, Touch Notepad K10 tablet supports expandable memory by microSD card up to 128 GB. Huge room for everything, from your go-to shows to your favorite memories. Touch Notepad K10 has many other functions for you to explore. With built-in Google Assistant, you can quickly get answers, take calls, play a song, check the temperature, control smart devices and more. With a micro HDMI port, you can easily connect your tablet into any TV and start streaming your favorite content. An integrated GPS sensor makes navigation possible when you download an offline map to the tablet. Are you a radio lover? The K10 tablet is also equipped with FM radio. The 2nd product on the list is the Fire HD10. Fire HD10 is our largest display in 1080p Full HD. Now 30% faster thanks to the powerful new 2.0 GHz octa-core processor and 2 GB of RAM. Stream movies, watch videos, or play games with the enhanced Wi-Fi. Enjoy downloaded content on the go with up to 12 hours of mixed-use battery life. Enjoy millions of movies, TV episodes, games, apps, ebooks, and songs. Stream or download thousands of videos from Prime Video, Netflix, Stars, Disney+, and Showtime. Discover over 570,000 apps and games, over 450,000 audible titles, and millions of songs. Experience picture-in-picture viewing with Red Bull TV, Twitch, NBC News and more. Designed by Amazon, the slim, form-fitting case with built-in stand allows for hands-free viewing in landscape and portrait orientations. The cover remains securely closed at home or on the go with a magnetic closure. Easy access to buttons, ports, and cameras. The 1st product on the list is the Apple iPad Air. iPad Air does more than a computer in simpler, more magical ways. And now with more features and capabilities, it's more versatile than ever. With A14 Bionic, you have the power to bring your ideas to life. Shoot a 4K video, then edit it right on iPad Air. Use the second-generation Apple Pencil to paint and illustrate with dynamic brushes and subtle shading. And with the enhanced graphics and machine learning performance of A14 Bionic, you can unlock new creative possibilities with photo editing, music creation, and more. With Apple Pencil, you can easily take notes, organize your thoughts, and mark up screenshots, email, and more. And with iPadOS 14, your handwriting becomes as powerful as typed text. Convert your sketches into perfect shapes, turn handwritten notes into typed text, and write in any text field with Scribble. With the incredible versatility of iPad Air, you can work any way you want. Use the Smart Keyboard Folio or attach the Magic Keyboard for responsive typing and a built-in trackpad. It's perfect for the things you need to do, like sending an email. Or the things you want to do, like writing a short story. And with all-day battery life, 2 iPad Air is ready to work for as long as you need it. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.